If you're considering Ruby hosting for your website, you probably have a lot of questions. There's a lot to consider, especially when comparing it to other hosting providers. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether Ruby hosting is right for you. Let's dive in. First thing, Ruby hosting is a solid option for small to medium-sized businesses, but it might not be ideal for large enterprises. While it offers scalable plans, its overall performance isn't on par with some of the big names like Bluehost or SiteGround. So if you're expecting enterprise-level features, you might want to look elsewhere. Next thing to note is Ruby hosting's customer support. They offer 24/7 support via live chat and email, which is a definite plus. However, it's not as robust as competitors like HostGator, which offer phone support too. Some users report delays, so if fast response times are critical for you, that could be a deal breaker. The third thing is speed. Ruby hosting speeds are competitive, but not extraordinary. You'll see decent load times on their shared hosting plans, but when compared to premium hosts like Kinsta, their performance isn't as fast. If you're running a high-traffic site, consider a host known for premium speed. Next thing, their uptime guarantees. Ruby hosting promises 99.9% uptime, which is in line with industry standards. However, there are many hosts that offer a stronger guarantee, like A2 hosting, known for their consistent 99.99% uptime. It's not a huge difference, but something to keep in mind if uptime is crucial for your business. The fifth thing is their pricing structure. Ruby hosting offers affordable plans, which is great for beginners and small businesses, but the pricing might creep up once you renew. Make sure to check renewal rates before committing, because they're not always the most competitive compared to some other providers in the space. Next, let's talk about the ease of use. Ruby hosting's dashboard is user-friendly, which makes it easy for new users to manage their websites. However, it might feel a bit too simplistic if you need advanced features like staging environments or enhanced site management. In that case, you might be better off with something like SiteGround, which gives you more flexibility. The seventh thing is Ruby hosting's backup and security options. While they do offer daily backups, they're not as comprehensive as some other hosts. For example, InMotion Hosting offers automated backups with a more robust security suite, giving you peace of mind if anything goes wrong. The eighth thing is their scalability. Ruby hosting offers the ability to upgrade your plan, but it doesn't have the seamless scalability you get with cloud-based hosts like DigitalOcean. If you're anticipating rapid growth, cloud hosting might be a more flexible choice. Next thing, Ruby hosting's website builder. It's simple and can help you get a basic site up and running quickly. But for more advanced users, the builder may not be as flexible or feature-rich as competitors like Wix or Squarespace, which offer more customization options. The 10th thing is Ruby hosting's email hosting. They provide email accounts as part of their plans, but it's fairly basic. If you need more advanced email features, such as integration with Google Workspace, you might want to consider a host that provides those options natively, like Bluehost. The 11th thing is Ruby hosting's SSL certificates. While they offer free SSL certificates on all plans, this is standard across most modern hosts. Some providers, like WP Engine, offer advanced security features that go beyond the basics. And finally, Ruby hosting offers decent performance, but it's not a top contender in terms of performance or features when compared to the leading competitors. For smaller sites and businesses, it might work well. But if you're looking for top-notch performance, security, or scalability, there might be better options out there. So, is Ruby hosting a good choice? Yes, it's a solid option, but if you want an even better solution, we recommend checking out our top pick that you can try for free. You'll get access to top-tier features, performance, and support, making it a great alternative if Ruby hosting doesn't quite meet your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our recommended hosting solution in the description below.